Here is the truth. Most cough syrups don't help children. Cough is the body's way of clearing the airway, not something you can switch off with syrup. Studies show that these syrups don't work for kids under 6 and can even cause side effects like sleepiness or fast heartbeat. What really helps? Steam, saline drops, and honey if your child is over 1 year. But if the cough is harsh with wheeze or fast breathing, that's different. Your doctor may need to treat conditions like wheezing. So next time you hear a cough, don't grab a syrup. Treat the cause, not just the noise.